Yes, students, for the last session, चलो, you all can now rest assured कि अभी थोड़े टाइम के लिए theory नहीं होगा, हाँ? This is our last one, right? Once again, everyone, fundamental theorem of linear combination of vectors in space. Fundamental theorem of linear combination of vectors in space. अच्छा, some time back, I think last Friday. You all have talked about fundamental theorem of linear combination of vectors in a plane. In a plane. If you all are trying to recollect, ये हम लोग ने तभी किया था when we were talking about non-collinear, coplanar vectors, and the statement was if A bar and B bar are two non-zero non-collinear vectors. हम लोग ने थ्योरी में ये किया भी है. A bar and B bar are two non-zero non-collinear vectors. मैंने बोर्ड पे ऐसे ड्रॉ किया था A bar B bar ऐसा करके. Then any vector R bar coplanar with A bar and B bar. तब मैंने बोला भी था आप लोगों को, okay, कि R bar can be in the plane of the board or can be in a parallel plane. ये बोर्ड का प्लेन है, इसको पैरेलल एक प्लेन इधर लेके आओ, इधर पैरेलल प्लेन में you can have another vector. That vector will be termed as R bar. और मैंने बोला था तुम लोग को कि for the sake of convenience अपने लिए let us take it for granted कि भाई ये जो R bar वाला वेक्टर है ये बोर्ड पे ही है, क्योंकि ये पैरेलल प्लेन में भी होगा तब भी मैं ये R bar वाला वेक्टर को पीछे ढकूंगा and I will put it on the board, so it is essentially on the board. Let us take it for granted that R bar is on the board. Then you all remember what all we did? R bar वाला वेक्टर को initial point से we drew a line parallel to A bar, terminal से parallel to B bar, and we got scalar multiples, and we had written that we used the triangle law and said R bar must be X A bar plus Y B bar. Linear combination was ready. Okay, we have to more or less do the same thing here also. Okay, A bar, B bar, C bar are three non-zero, non-coplanar vectors. 1 minute. Everyone, attention here. Three non-zero, they have finite magnitude. Non-coplanar. That means आपके दिमाग में ये होना चाहिए कि दो वेक्टर इन तीन में से वो एक प्लेन में होगा, लेकिन तीसरा वही प्लेन में नहीं होगा. ये मैं बहुत बार तभी भी बोल चुका. Alright, these two are coplanar. They are going to be contained in one plane. Alright, this one becomes non-coplanar. Alright, 1, 2 and 3 are non-coplanar. ये कोप्लेनार होगा, है ना? So A bar, B bar, C bar are this way. अच्छा, ये तो आपके दिमाग में आया हुआ है. Okay, your understanding clear, very good. Mathematically, I know if they are non-coplanar, any one of them will not be a linear combination of the other. Any one of them will not be a linear combination of the other. बराबर, पक्का. Okay, now then any vector R bar, वो वाले theory में R bar was supposed to be coplanar with A bar and B bar. Now here it is any vector R bar, मतलब कोई भी R bar वाला vector in space can be uniquely expressed as a linear combination of A bar, B bar and C bar. अच्छा, what is linear combination of A bar, B bar and C bar? याद है कि नहीं आप लोगों को? Okay, एक वेक्टर जब आएगा उसको स्केलर मल्टीपल बोलते हैं. A bar is K times B bar, M times B bar, स्केलर मल्टीपल ऑफ B bar. लेकिन M B bar plus M C bar दो हो गया तो स्केलर मल्टीपल नहीं, लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ B bar and C bar. So I understand R bar is a linear combination of A bar, B bar and C bar means R bar will have to be X A bar plus Y B bar plus Z C bar. उस टाइप का एक्सप्रेशन चाहिए. And I have to show that linear combination is unique as well. Linear combination of ABC ये एक पार्ट हो जाएगा. एंड यूनिकली एक्सप्रेस, ये दूसरा पार्ट हो जाएगा. बहुत आसान है, very easy, all good. Okay, now this the proof, this is a very important one, very important one for your board exam. Okay, knowing the statement extremely important, knowing the proof extremely important, and then thinking about this as a problem. When we do problems, I will remind you at that time that bhai ye problem hai likho, and this is dependent on this proof. Okay, now everyone, I'm going to first say this is A bar, this is B bar, and this is C bar. Alright, so A bar, B bar and C bar. Please understand, all of you all, please understand, B bar and C bar are like this, and A bar here. A bar here. मैंने दिखाया A bar is in the plane of the board, but it is up to you all to understand that this A bar is like this. So they are non-coplanar. Absolutely clear. Okay. So all of you, I have drawn three vectors on the board which are non-zero, non-coplanar vectors. Okay, non-zero, non-coplanar vectors. Now, using these three, I will be constructing a box. Using these three, I will be constructing a box. Okay, a box. Here we are, a box. Okay, a box this way. A box. Okay, here we are, the box is there. A box. Using these three vectors, please note my wordings properly all. Using these three vectors, we construct a box. Meaning, somewhere there is connection between the box and A bar, B bar and C bar. Everyone. Okay? Everyone. So, the connection between the box constructed and these three vectors are, you take up any edge of the box and it will be parallel to either A bar or B bar or C bar. Okay, it will be parallel to either A bar or B bar or C bar. देखो ध्यान से, ये वाला वेक्टर देखो, ये वाला edge, I think parallel to C. अच्छा, ये वाला edge, I think parallel to A. कोई भी ले लो. This one, I think parallel to B bar. Okay, so everyone, ये तो मैंने अपने वर्ड्स में तुम लोगों को समझाने के लिए बोला है. Okay, I will construct box. जब आप लिखते हो, box नहीं लिखना है. Now I am making you all write only the more important words, statements that must be visible in your mind. Okay, first we construct what is called as a parallelepiped. A parallelepiped, that's box. Okay, second, the three coterminous edges of the box. The three coterminous edges of the box. Of the parallelepiped rather, of the parallelepiped A, or the three coterminous edges of are parallel to A bar, B bar and C bar. So what do you mean by coterminous edges also? When I mention, see, these are the three edges of the box. Okay, these are the three edges of the box. ऐसा मान लो ये three edges है. Now this is from any corner the three edges that come out. They are called three coterminous edges of the box. All of you all are going to be watching this in a room, na? Look at any corner of the room. Any corner of the room. From that corner, three edges will be coming out. कोई भी corner उठा. and you will see that there are 3 edges coming out from that corner. 100%. Those 3 edges are called coterminous edges of the box, of the room, of the parallelepiped. Okay? So this is another thing. And last wala, R bar must be represented by a diagonal of the parallelepiped. R bar must be represented or denoted by diagonal of the parallelepiped. Okay? So I have constructed the box for you. Everyone, can I say O A B C? O A B C is the base of the box, and D E F G is the top of the box. Top of the box. Paka. Okay. O F bar. O F bar. R bar is the diagonal of the box. Is the diagonal of the box. Everyone, diagonal of the box. Diagonal of the box matlab, again everyone, for you all to understand, okay? For you all to understand, you are in a room watching this AV. Barabar? Acha. The room is going to have 4 diagonals. The room has 4 diagonals. Okay? Now, रूम में आप कोई भी एक दीवार ले लो, दीवार, ओके, दीवार ले लो, दैट इज अ फेस ऑफ द रूम, फेस, एंड उस फेस का 2 डायगोनल होगा, क्योंकि जो रेक्टेंगल है उसका 2 डायगोनल तो होगा, दे आर कॉल्ड फेस डायगोनल्स. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट फेस डायगोनल, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट डायगोनल्स ऑफ द बॉक्स. ओके, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट डायगोनल्स ऑफ द बॉक्स. दोज आर नॉट face diagonals I'm talking about. Okay, please understand. What you all have to look at is, take one corner of the room and join it to the exact opposite top corner of the room. You will get a diagonal of the room. That's the meaning of diagonal of the room. आप कोई भी रूम में कोई भी एक कॉर्नर ले लो, एक कॉर्नर ले लो, वो कॉर्नर. Now that corner is in the base. So उसका diagonally opposite will have to be in the top. And look now, diagonally opposite. Base में ही अगर आप diagonal draw, that is again a face diagonal. That is again a face diagonal. Corner to corner down there only. That means face diagonal. आपको box का diagonal चाहिए. Okay? The body diagonal बोलते हैं इसको. Face diagonal, body diagonal. So corner down here to corner up there. वैसे ही है ये. देखो, अगर आप ध्यान से समझ सकते हो ये 3D फिगर. O is in the base. O is in the base. And O is behind for me. Behind for me. Okay. And diagonally opposite will have to be in the top. And it has to be closer to me. So it has to be OF. Please understand, OE will be face diagonal, OG will be face diagonal, OB will be face diagonal. OB is in the base, OE is in the side, OG is in the face behind. समझ पा रहे हो क्या? All I am only giving so much time so that you all get your imagination in place. You will understand things properly. Okay? So OF is the body diagonal. इसको R bar मानेंगे. That any vector R bar है ना? So with that any vector R bar, I have constructed this box. Now everyone, 2 steps away. Finish. Here is O. Okay. OA bar. Please understand. I am starting from O and I have to reach F. Huh? I'm starting from O to reach F. So O से मैं A तक जाता हूँ. OA bar. Can I immediately say OA bar is XA bar? Why? Why? 3 coterminous edges are parallel to A bar, C bar. So OA is parallel to A. If it is parallel to A, it must be a स्केलर मॉड्यूल लगेगा। ए पहुंच गया, देन AB will be YB bar, Y because AB is parallel to B, scalar method, YB bar, B पहुंच गया, then I will climb up, okay, I will climb up, this is going to be parallel to C, so ZC bar, and therefore R bar will be XA bar plus YB bar plus ZC bar. Barabar? Everyone? We've got linear combination of ABC. All done. And this is part 1, okay, where we are talking about linear combination being possible. Part 2, uniquely expressed. अब में से कोई ऐसे रहते ना कि भाई बोल रहे वो यूनिकली एक्सप्रेस है, तो आप बोलते हो नहीं, आई रिफ्यूज टू एक्सेप्ट, कोई यूनिक नहीं है. So what we say, let R bar also equal to X dash A bar plus Y dash B bar plus Z dash C bar, है ना? ऐसे वो बोलेगा नहीं मेरे को और एक लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन मालूम है, तो मैं वो लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन के हिसाब से जाएगा. So here's written R bar is this, but we've already proved that R bar is this, no? So can I say therefore XA bar plus YB bar plus ZC bar is X dash A bar plus Y dash B bar plus Z dash C bar. आपने पहले किया है ना? You remember we said we have done this. If A bar and C bar are non-zero, non-coplanar vectors, and XA bar plus YB bar plus ZC bar is X dash A bar, Y dash B bar, Z dash C bar, then X must be equal to X dash, Y must be equal to Y dash, Z must be equal to Z dash. Okay, so I understand this X dash, Y dash and Z dash that you all are talking about is actually no different from X, Y, Z. So you all know from here X must be X dash, Y must be Y dash and Z must be Z dash. Therefore unique. Okay. Now, all of y'all statement, last, right, then come back, statement, and below the statement what you have to do is systematically the three non-zero, non-coplanar, construction of the box, R bar must be diagonal, वो 3 पॉइंट जो याद रखने हैं वो मैंने लिखा है. Parallelepiped कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है, 3 codominant edges respectively parallel to A bar, B bar, C bar and R bar must be diagonal. ये 3 अगर आपको याद है तो बाकी तो you can frame it yourself and write down the proof. This is a 4-mark theorem, 4-mark theorem, very often asked. Okay, please note this down completely. Okay, the fundamental theorem and the statement as well as on the regular page. Please note that down fast, quickly. हो गया? अच्छा, then some definitions and एक बार वो definition मैं दे दूंगा आप लोगों को, तो ये जो मैंने लिखा है will be extremely simple. Okay, ये जो मैं अब कराने वाला हूँ, you have to write it only in the on the last page. Important statement जो लिखा है ना आपने उधर ही मैं पहले ये linearly independent vectors and linearly dependent vectors का definition दे रहा हूँ. Okay, please write down. I'm probably writing it on the board as well. So let's make a note of that as well. A set of vectors A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, blah 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 are set to be Okay, linearly चलो linearly independent if xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar plus blah 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 equal to 0 bar implies that x, y, z dot 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 are all equal to 0 and are said to be linearly dependent if there exists scalars x, y, z dot 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 not all zero such that xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar plus dot 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 equal to 0 bar. Please understand the difference between the two. Set of vectors. मतलब ये दो ही वेक्टर्स के साथ या तीन ही वेक्टर्स के साथ ऐसा नहीं, दो या दो से ज्यादा कैसे, हाँ, are said to be linearly independent. मतलब linearly independent. They have nothing to depend on each other. That's how you can think about if I have a relation in terms of scalar multiples getting added. That's a linear combination. If their linear combination is 0, implies that all scalars involved must be 0. Now, everyone, I think you already know about two examples right away. Two non-collinear vectors are linearly independent. Why? Because if xa bar plus yb bar is 0 bar, then you know that x and y both must be equal to 0. याद है कि नहीं? सेकेंड लेक्चर में किया है या फर्स्ट में ही था क्या? आई एम नॉट वेरी, फर्स्ट और सेकेंड में किया है. 3 non-coplanar vectors are linearly independent since xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar is 0 bar implies that all of them must be. But a set of vectors are linearly dependent if there exist scalars x, y, z not all 0 such that xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar will be equal to 0 bar. Not all 0, but such a relation equal to 0 bar. That kind of an expression can be written down. What are examples? Linearly dependent. Two collinear vectors are linearly dependent because there exist scalars x and y non-zero such that xa bar plus yb bar is 0 bar. Remember, xa bar is minus yb bar, then a bar is minus y by x b bar. Scalar multiple आता है, scalar multiple आ गया, and therefore they are collinear. 3 coplanar vectors are linearly dependent because there exist scalars x, y, z non-zero such that xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar is 0 bar. ये भी किया है हमने. And third one, any 4 vectors in space are linearly dependent, and the reason behind that is the theorem we have just finished. Any 4 vectors in space are linearly dependent. Do you realize any 4 vectors a bar, b bar, c bar and r bar? Okay, and r bar, can I now write that as r bar equal to xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar? Can that be rewritten and said xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar minus 1 times r bar is 0 bar? And that kind of an expression is available. So any 4 vectors in space are linearly dependent since there exists scalars, okay, x, y, z, w such that xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar plus wd bar is 0 bar. Hence they are linearly dependent. ये दोनों डेफिनेशंस करके मालूम होना चाहिए ऑल ऑफ ऑल. दिस इज बेसिकली जस्ट योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, नॉट मेजर इन्फ्लुएंस इन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, इट इज फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सो ये जो आपको लिखना है ये पूरा ये डेफिनेशन लिखो एंड देन व्हाट आई हैव रिटन सिस्टमैटिकली, okay, one after the other. This is the last one. This will all come on the last page only. Only. You have to know it as statements, results. ठीक है? पक्का? Now, all of y'all, with this, we have finished the theory on the initial part of vectors. Okay? Now, for quite some time, we will not have too much theory to do at all. Okay? क्योंकि मैंने सारा कुछ theory जो था वो अभी इसी लेक्चर में I have covered. All of y'all must make it a point to go through these 3 lectures every time you start with the vector. Every time. 15 मिनट लगेगा तुम लोगों को पूरा जो लिखा हुआ देखने के लिए 15 मिनट लगेगा. And last 1 minute is for the last page. 15 मिनट आपको डिवोट करना ही है for this. Is that very very clear, everyone? Next lecture onwards, we will begin with sums. Okay? अच्छा, one more thing. For your understanding purpose, whatever I have made you all write in the book, notebook, that is all that you all need to refer. आपको PDF फॉर्म में वेक्टर्स का नोट्स भेजा गया है. Okay? But rather than refer anything from the PDF form, now you all have it in written form. Theory exactly कैसे लिखना है for board exam, that will let you know. Other than that, from your understanding perspective, जो चाहिए that is already there in your notebooks now. If you have written everything what I have asked you all to write from the board. ठीक है? Thank you so much. We'll continue in our next lecture. ठीक?